We are here to show you about how you can use the eggshells to the plant. I started collecting these and will show you how you can use these eggshells to the plant. This can be a nutrition that you provide for the plants. The next step, we are going to grind in the mixer the eggshells. We are here to grind the eggshells. Just have a look how the eggshells be after the mixture. After the mixture, it's more easy that it's like a powder that you can easily take it and use, which will be a fertilizer for the plants or maybe a nutrition that you feed for the plants. If you like this video, share, and we'll be bringing new videos in the next episode. Until that, we are signing off from Creative Gardening. Thank you.